Cylindrical tinning pot TDEM 040240. The cylindrical tinning pot is designed for tinning wires and cable lugs for electrotechnical products. It is used in the repair and manufacture of electrical motor windings. The control cabinet contains an automatic circuit breaker, a toggle switch for turning on the heater, and a temperature indicator. The tinning pot consists of a heater with a maximum heating temperature of 350 degrees Celsius, a thermal insulated casing, and a pot with a diameter of 78 mm and a depth of 130 mm. The heater consists of a cradle and a heating element, tubular electric heater, installed on it. The ends of the heating element are led out to the terminal box. The heater is sheathed with thermal insulation material. The heat-insulating casing is tightly placed on the heater and tightened with screws. A hole for a pot is provided in the heat-insulating casing. The pot is installed in the hull of the casing until it contacts the heating element and is secured with screws. The thermocouple hole is also provided in the heat-insulating casing to maintain the operating temperature. Taking into account an individual approach to each of our orders, LLC Trading House ELECTROMASH will consider your terms of reference for the manufacture of any equipment with different parameters from those proposed on our website www.tdelectromash.com. taking into consideration various climate environments, including tropical climate. The equipment supplier for mechanization, repair, process automation, and testing of electric motors and transformers. ELECTROMASH Trading House. ELECTROMASH Trading House, your choice for quality and reliability.